Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Pippa, business analyst, mentor, and your guide to building a career that pays well and feels good. So today I'm kicking off a brand new series where I'll be answering your most common questions about becoming and growing as a business analyst. And in this first episode, we're talking about what I get asked all the time. How do I actually get started as a business analyst? If you're just starting out, maybe switching careers or feeling overwhelmed by all the different parts, this one is for you. So let's jump right in. How do I become a business analyst with no experience? Great question. Most BAs don't start out as BAs. Many of them come from customer service, admin, testing, operations, teaching, or even retail. So if that's you, don't count yourself out. Here's the key. Focus on transferable skills, problem solving, communication, process thinking, curiosity, right? Then build on them with BA specific knowledge. Okay, start learning fundamentals like what is business analysis? What is the role of a BA on a project? What do BAs actually do, right? Question 2. What qualifications or certifications do I actually need? Honestly, you don't need a certification to start, but it can help if you're changing careers or struggling to land interviews, right? Look at the BCS Foundation in Business Analysis if you're in the UK, and then look at IIBA, ECBA, or CBAP for international certifications. More important than the certification is understanding how to apply BA concepts in real life, right? A CV full of theory and no practical examples won't land you the interviews, right? Which is why my focus is on helping you to build experience. Third question, is business analysis still a good career in 2025? Yes, but like every career, it's evolving, okay? Business analysts are still in demand, especially in tech, finance, insurance, and government, right? You may need to stay sharp with things like AI trends and agile practices, but companies still need people who can bridge the gap between the business and technology. So yes, the BA job is still valid in 2025 and beyond, right? If you want a role that pays well, gives you flexibility, and builds transferable skills, business analysis is a smart path. Question 4. What tools should I learn to become a BA? Don't get overwhelmed by tool lists, right? But here's a good starter set. Process mapping. Learn Visio or Miro or Lucidchart, right? For process mapping. For documentation and collaboration, you want to know how to use Word, Excel, Confluence, right? For agile or project tools, you want to know how to use Jira, Trello, DevOps, things like that. For basic modeling or diagrams, you want to know how to do BPMN, flowcharts, use case diagrams. I have existing videos about all these things, so you can watch, right? But again, the tools support your thinking, okay? Start by learning how to think like a business analyst first. Question 5. What's the difference between a business analyst and a product owner? Honestly, I ask myself this question sometimes too when I'm working. The BA and PO often work closely together, especially in agile teams, right? But here's the short version about the differences, okay? BAs focus on discovery, requirements, processes, and translating business needs, while product owners own the vision, they own the prioritization and the roadmap of the product, okay? Now, in smaller companies, one person may do both PO and BA role. In larger organizations, it's more separate, right? So you don't need to be a PO to thrive as a BA, but it's a potential path later on. So that's all the questions for this section of the video. If these questions help bring you some clarity, there's so much more I can support you with inside my membership, my BA program, where we do live coaching calls every month. You can ask real questions, you can get feedback on your CV, or talk through what's happening in your job or interviews. And I'll guide you step by step by step. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start building your BA career with support, the link to join us is in the description box below. Let me know in the comment section which question landed for you, or drop your own questions and I might answer them in next videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you're serious about becoming a well-paid business analyst. As always, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share this video. You never know who it might help too. I see you in part 2. Peace.